channel. It is officially 2018. Can you believe it? So as you guys can see, I did not come to play. Not at all. But before I jump into the hair deets, I just want to say thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thank you for showing all the support over 2017, and I know that 2018 is going to be even grander, bigger, whatever you want to call it, even more a blessing. And so yeah, thank you guys for just following me, liking, commenting, subscribing. I am hoping that I can get to everybody's comment before you guys see this video. Actually, I have been getting a lot of love, and it's been a little trying to keep up with it because I just been kind of grinding and putting out more content. So as you guys can see, I've been putting out new wigs pretty much weekly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure for the last month or so I've been putting out wigs weekly, and actually this week you guys are going to get a two for one because I will be doing 2 videos this week. So I figured out that if I need to post videos twice a week, which I told you guys in my last video, most likely it's going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So just keep that in mind. You'll always have a video on Tuesday and maybe even Thursday. So make sure you hit that notification button, make sure you comment and subscribe and become part of fam if you haven't already. So let's jump right into these hair deets. So this wig is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. They have been hooking your girl up, and I'm surprised because I don't get to choose what wigs that I get. So I'm literally surprised, just like you guys are surprised, and I think maybe it's not gonna work for me, and then somehow it does, thank God. And so yes, this wig right here is Sassy Lace H in Envy, and it's in the color some RT4 blonde. And so y'all, I wouldn't have picked this for myself. I just want y'all to know I'm just glad that my makeup look with, you know, very subtle makeup look, letting the hair speak for itself, that it's just kind of working out. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. I'm feeling it, so I'm pretty sure that it's gonna reflect in the camera or in the video. But yeah, I love this wig. From the moment that I pulled it out, it's just so it was just so easy to just fall in love with the color. As you guys can see, the parting, like I love the parting. I didn't cut baby hairs. These are my baby hairs. Everything blended flawlessly, and it's really not much that I can talk about other than I love it. I love it. I love it. Even the model on the little card, she's doing it justice. She just so happens to be wearing it in the middle, and you know, with me, hit and miss middle part, side parts, but I decided to rock this as a side part, and I love it. So as usual, I'm going to show you guys a full up close demo of the wig, how it looked like when it first came out the packaging, how it looked like when I first put it on, before I did all the customizing, and this time it's even before I put on makeup. So I hope that you guys love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
You pull me in closer, a fighter for your love, soldier. You really knock me out, feelings in the air, you know what it is about. Yeah. You got my attention, let me relieve all tension. Those eyes are like a spell, through my legs, bending into the wishing well. Soul's love, fire, ignition that I need. Woke me from a trance and now it's like a stampede. My heart beats quickly, it's hard to disguise. Oh, you got me. The truth is that I care. If you wanna leave, I know where we can get some air.